Hello everyone, Ravneet Bhala welcomes you back to her channel. Are you looking for an allspice substitute that adds a distinct flavor to your coffee, shakes, cookies, cakes, and just about anything? But first, what is allspice? Well, allspice is the dried berry of the evergreen allspice tree from Jamaica and the Caribbean. Allspice has a distinct flavor profile and reminds you of cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and black pepper. So, when you cannot find allspice berries, let's try combining all these healthy ingredients to make an allspice substitute that boosts the flavor of your bakes and shakes. Making your own allspice is easy. You need 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns, half teaspoon of cloves and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You may increase or decrease the amount of these spices according to your taste preference. But bear in mind that nutmeg shadows the flavor of everything else. So do not go overboard with nutmeg or jaifal. Less is more. Dry roast all these ingredients. I have dry roasted all spices in air fryer, but you may do so on your cooktop as well. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 minutes. Grind to powder and store in an airtight container. Enjoy homemade allspice mix. Isn't the recipe easy? Does the recipe interest you? If so, do not forget to hit the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed until we meet next. Take care, bye bye, see you soon.